Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll explore how to offer soothing comfort and empathy to those around us when they are going through hard times. Begin by settling into an easy seat. Gently close your eyes. Release tension in your face, your neck, your shoulders, and let your whole body surrender into this moment. Now turn your attention to your breath. Let your breathing be natural and effortless. And stay present with the full cycle of each breath. Notice the expansive quality of your inhales, the intrinsic softness of your exhales. And now, without creating one, notice the very slight pause that happens between each breath. There's a brief suspension, a stillness where the body is not inhaling or exhaling. Though we're not always conscious of it, there is a moment of stillness between breaths. There is a momentary pause between thoughts. A flash of silence between sounds. Breathe in and observe the fleeting pause before your exhale. Breathe out and notice the tiny moment of quiet before you inhale again. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . and inevitably, distractions will arise. Allow your thoughts to come and go without judgment. Observe the space between your thoughts. Rest in the stillness in between. Now, gently relax your awareness. Life is full of challenges, so when someone around us is going through a hard time, it's easy to offer a sympathetic, "I'm sorry you're experiencing this," and then go back to our own busy lives. We might not have the time or resources to be present, or we may not know how to help. And though expressing sympathy might seem nice, it can actually keep others at bay, leaving them feeling alone in their hardship. Though we might not know what to do, being present and showing empathy can bring us closer together and can help ease some of the pain and loneliness that can come with difficult times. Our presence is often more than enough. When someone around us is hurting, showing up and making room for their struggle, letting them cry without trying to fix it, or simply making tea and doing their dishes can be an important source of comfort and healing for the people we love. So the next time someone around you is hurting, rather than feeling sorry for them, imagine what it would be like to take their place. From this empathetic space, your simple presence can offer them a world of comfort. Now, slowly come back to your breath. Notice the sounds in the room around you. Bring soft movements back into your hands and feet. And gently open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this meditation. We'll see you back here tomorrow.